In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NinjaTrader Simulator to practice trading. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to NinjaTrader.com, and then on here, you want to go over and hover over platforms, click on it, and then click on Trading Simulation. Now after you're here, as you can see, you can then just get started. So click on Get Started over here. And then this will take you to this website where you can essentially get started, and then you can create your account to basically start your simulator. Okay, so simply put in your email, sign in with Google or Apple, and if you have an account, of course, you can log in by clicking this button over here, and then you can essentially start your free trial of the simulator. Now this is gonna look something like this. There we go. This is my simulator account over here, and to actually get started and use it, what you want to do is you want to click on Trade over here on the left, and then this is going to take you to another website over here where you're going to have to select a trading mode. So I'm just going to click on Access Simulation to start this. And then as you can see, it's essentially going to take you to the web version of ninjatrader.com. Now here you can of course see all the info. Basically it's going to give you a tutorial quickly. So here you can see everything. You can see on each icon to see more info, etc. But I'm just going to skip this tutorial, and then this is what you're going to see. So this is the NinjaTrader simulator with which you can practice trading. Okay, so as you can see, you have different chartings, you have essentially different things. You can see over here the positions, and then of course if you decide to actually open an account, you can always click that button over here, which will basically lead you to a website via which you can open an account. And here you can select your demo account. So this is the one that has 50k on, and you can essentially just start trading with that and kind of simulate your trading and practice whatever you want. So this is how to basically use it. This is how to get to it and get started. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.